Another day at the races in Memphis. A little conversation before the moto never hurts. I am number 191 on the Husqvarna. Terry is number 1 on the Kawasaki. Neither of us got a good start in Moto 1. We are going to have our work cut out for us. Terry immediately begins to move forward through the whoops and making passes on the first lap.
Terry now back to fifth. Wayne Terry, number 7, now back to fifth, but watch out, we'll move up. Meanwhile, number 24, Ronnie Ray. Trying to come to the ground on him while he can. 49, Tony Mato putting in a fine ride after being off a little while. Tony made it real good.
Landing off the jump, I somehow grabbed too much front brake, and almost took a dirt sample face down. Terry is still making passes and moving forward. I'm trying to put things together for the moto, but I'm not finding all the pieces.
Brad for second, Terry third, Mayo fourth, Burnett fifth, Stevenson sixth, and McCarthy in seventh. There you go. Ronnie Ray 24. Ronnie Ray, they're answering. He's number 24. He's got the lead, but number 2 is Rogers. Start after him. As is number 7, James Hughes. Tony Mato. Ronnie Ray, number 24. Terry Bradford, number 2 in second. Number 7, James Terry. James Terry in third. 39, Tony Mato in fourth. And 5, 47. David Burnett in fifth. A good race for fourth and fifth there. And it looks like this, number 2, Terry Bradford. He's closing on Ronnie Ray. He can catch him. They'll have 2 laps to go when they come by this time. Black Bradford is opening up close to the off part of it there.
There is a good race going on up front. Terry has made his way to the front, challenging Ronnie Ray for the lead. I'm still trying to figure out how to go faster and overriding the track.
seventh Ronnie Ray. So nothing gained, nothing lost. Coming through the super. Ronnie Ray and Terry Bradford battling for the lead. They'll come back and take the white flag this next time. Ronnie Ray, Terry Bradford. James Clear in third. Tony Mano fourth. Now back in sixth spot. Here comes the leader. One lap to go. We've got about a half hour. He's going to get around right away. Ronnie's a serious rider. It'll be tough to do. If in fact he can get up there. He's put back and just can't quite find a way around Ronnie Ray. Ronnie's got a lot of experience, so he will not be an easy man to get around.
Up front, Terry is still putting pressure on Ronnie Ray, trying to make a last lap pass happen.
He got it back down. Well, looks like you're thinking maybe making a mistake there in the rockers. He's got Terry Bradford held back in second spot. Ronnie Ray, Terry Bradford. Real good race there, fellas. Third spot, number 7.
I come under pressure from a Kawasaki rider. In an attempt to block the pass, I stumble and lose another position just before the finish. I just couldn't find the pace to run up front. Terry, however, made a great run from behind to the front to finish second behind Ronnie Ray.